So here we are, day 15 of harvest, back on it's Sunday the 27th of July, and got a neighbouring farmer friend, Brian Morris Contractors, with Imogen, his daughter, on the baler, baling up the oat straw that we combined the other day. There isn't very much straw here at all, and she's having to go quite a long way to get a bale, but it's good to get it removed and off the field. Quite a lot of residue on the ground still from last year's wheat crop. The biological process really hasn't done very much this summer, with it just being so dry, so the earthworms really are hibernating and not doing very much at all, which has meant the breakdown of previous straw hasn't really happened. So such is the season that we find ourselves in. So we've got about 65 hectares of straw just to bale off. Not very much more to do at all. Should get it wrapped up tonight, get it stacked in the shed tomorrow, and then potentially a bit of rain on Tuesday, so we'll see whether that materialises into anything at all. Bit of a stop-starty day. We didn't do anything yesterday. Drizzle in the morning, so we're in service machinery, got ready to go, and then we made a start late morning today to get going on some spring barley. So the Firefox is done. We're into Laureate malting barley, which we will use as part of our Molston Cause contract. Yeah, that's come in. Started off about 16% this morning, got down to about 13.5 by the end of the day. So again, no drying costs. The 16 stuff will just blend away. That'll average out quite nicely, and yeah. So harvest rolling on, just over 2 weeks through, 3 weeks till we started tomorrow. So making good progress. Lovely evening tonight. There's a buzzard, there's brown hare out here. That's the hill up on the back there. So still lots of combining to do, but we're getting on all right.